Today we're making 2 easy, high-protein, keto-friendly mug cakes in 60 seconds. And this video is sponsored by Thrive Market. So these recipes look pretty simple, and we're gonna be leaving all the information in the description below the video, meaning that we're gonna be leaving links to these recipes because they're not actually our recipes that we're trying. They were created by other people and we're just testing them. Most of you are gonna have these ingredients on hand already. And if you don't have the ingredients, then you should buy them from Thrive Market, like we do, who is the sponsor of this video. Thrive Market is an online, membership-based grocery store on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone, with guaranteed savings on every order. On this order, we saved $29.80. We know that so many of you guys do not live near a grocery store that sells keto-friendly products, but Thrive Market does. And Sarah and I love going online or in the app, selecting keto and seeing everything that they have to offer. And if you're the only person on keto in your house, that's okay because they have 90 other lifestyle choices that you can filter through. Thrive Market offers high-quality brands without the premium price tag. And we cook a lot on this channel. That means that we need to buy a lot of ingredients, and we buy them from Thrive Market, like almond flour, granulated sweetener, and Lily's chocolate chips. And they make it super easy because we just use the buy it again feature. And you buy it again with absolutely no effort. And we always tend to sort by new and check out the new offerings that they have that are keto or low carb. And this time we got these Kevin's lemon herb sauces and this mother-in-law's Korean chili flakes. Orders over $49 ship for free with no additional tipping or fees. So join Thrive Market today using our special link, thrivemarket.com/ketotwins, and you're gonna get 30% off of your first order plus a free gift. Thanks so much to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. Let's get started making some mug cakes. So the first high protein, keto friendly mug cake that we're gonna try is a low carb chocolate chip high protein mug cake. It is by thelittlepine.com. Cute name. So for this recipe, you are going to be needing almond flour, whey protein isolate, or if you can't use whey protein isolate because maybe you're trying to avoid dairy, you can use psyllium husk. I'm glad that there is a choice for that. Is whey protein isolate the same as whey protein powder? Because that's what we have. I guess we'll find out. I'm sure it's probably 99% the same. You also need things like baking powder, kosher salt, swerve, granular, an egg, vanilla extract, and chocolate chips. We like the Lily's ones. We're gonna be doubling the recipe because there are 2 of us on this channel because we are the Keto Twins.
We could just share one.
What if we mess up and we burn the first one?
Okay.
We're gonna be doubling the recipe. We're gonna start adding together our dry ingredients, which are almond flour, whey protein powder, baking powder, sweetener.
This is doubling the recipe, just as a reminder.
Right.
And a pinch of salt.
Mixy, mixy. Now we're going to add in the vanilla to the egg. To be very gentle. Cannot spill anything in Sarah's kitchen.
Oh please, you spill plenty.
Or I get yelled at. All right, we're gonna add this all into this, right?
Why are you asking me?
I don't know.
You have the instructions in front of you. Was this supposed to be like an all-in-one type of recipe?
Yes, you're supposed to make this in the mug, but because we're making 2, we can't. All right, you're supposed to put in a couple of the chocolate chips inside.
Okay.
All right, now we're gonna oil our ramekin. Yeah, we're going off recipe like we usually do. I'm just gonna spray this with a little bit of avocado oil just because I don't want it to stick. We're gonna go try to do half of the batter in each. On high for 60 seconds, which is add 30 seconds times 2. See, I can do math. It looks like it's coming out of there, and I touched it and it's hot.
Who would think that it would be hot?
I don't even think it's done. So
Why?
we're gonna have to, because.
Oh yeah, it's a little raw.
Ha! Okay, I'm gonna put it in for 15 more seconds. Okay, yeah, it's spongy. I'm gonna put some on top here. Wonderful. Look at that. Oh, shoot.
Don't even touch them, otherwise they become like a mess. Okay.
Great. Next.
How long has it been in there? A minute 15?
A minute 15.
Okay.
Okay. Very spongy. They smell really good.
Yeah, they do.
Okay, the next one is actually a 3-ingredient chocolate keto mug cake. And the interesting thing about this one is that I didn't know that this could work. So we found this recipe on CalisCleanEats.com. If I pronounced that wrong, I apologize. The 3 ingredients you're gonna be needing are very simple. Chocolate protein powder. We bought a big old thing on sale of this. Unsweetened cocoa powder and milk. We're gonna be using also unsweetened almond milk. You could use whatever kind of nut milk or regular milk that you want. Basically, you're just gonna combine these into a bowl. Since we're making 2 of them, we're gonna be doing it together and then splitting them up like the last one and mixing it together. So let's get started. Chocolate protein powder. This is a whey-based protein powder. I do think it needs to be whey in this case, but we have cocoa powder.
And milk of almond.
I was gonna say the same thing, milk of almond.
There's no baking powder in this to make it fluffy, so I'm kind of, it looks like more like a pudding.
We have our oiled ramekin. 45 seconds to a minute. So we'll do 45 seconds and we'll check. But it did say that if you want to bake these in the oven, it's 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. Alright, it's hot.
Yeah, I know, so why?
It's hard. Okay.
It's hard?
Okay. 45 seconds. Whatever, this is Sarah's.
Emily's.
Oh. Center of the microwave. Off center of the microwave. They look edible. I'm glad. We're gonna go downstairs and we're gonna try them. This is the chocolate chip mug cake. Oh. Fluffy.
What are you doing?
I am cutting a piece like you would a cake. It's a mug cake.
Don't drop it.
It's actually very dense and like cake-like, but all the chocolate chips are at the bottom pretty much, so.
Looks like a muffin.
There's a very like
Spongy.
robust.
Oh. What?
What?
See, instead of telling Emily being like, you have something on your face, she just laughs at me.
It's good.
Yeah, I like it.
It kind of reminds me of like a pancake.
See, I want to say all the things that you could do with it, because that's just how I am. If you did want to put chocolate in it, I think a little lemon, poppy seed would be nice.
We all knew that one was coming.
I like recipes that can be used multiple different ways, okay? And I think that the cake is really nice and light. And since we used the vanilla protein powder, that adds more flavoring into it. So, I hope you guys appreciate my ideas. Oh, we should move on to the next one. It's a little spongy.
It's a little dry looking. Hopefully it'll be... Well, a little whipped cream would solve that problem.
I'm just interested in the texture because there's no eggs in this, so, or baking powder.
You know what it tastes like? A Whopper.
Like the sandwich from Burger King?
No! That's how you can tell if we're sweet or savory people. I mentioned Whopper, and she thinks Burger King. Not the candy that was malt balls.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. It's malty like texture.
Yeah.
It's
Dry.
like crumbly. Yeah, I think it needs an egg to bind it or something. Maybe.
I need some more moisture.
Keto friendly ice cream on top or something. That might be a nice like crumble. But it's just very crumbly. It kind of looks like ground beef. What? It does. I don't know. I think this one's a winner, but if you added maybe an egg baking powder to this, it would be similar.
So if you guys see any other high protein keto friendly recipes you want us to try, let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear your suggestions. You cannot leave links, but you can say what it is and we'll search for it. And join Thrive Market today using our link thrivemarket.com/ketotwins, and you're going to get 30% off of your first order plus a free gift. And YouTube seems to think that you're going to like this video here, so why don't you click on it and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out.